Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to screen mirror your iPhone to Windows PC. First of all, you need to download the software named as a Lonely Screen. I will show you how to download the software and connect to the screen. Okay, first go ahead and open the web browser and type in Lonely Screen. Screen receivable PC, Mac cast AirPlay to PC Mac. Share on the big screen. Okay, home download quick start support. You can download. Click on download. Okay, go ahead and download for Windows. Okay, save. You can see that download in the software. Lonely screen Win installer. 530 KB. Take a little bit time. Okay, I'm going to open the was a download file. Then say yes. This download Lonely Screen software will connect to the iPhone as soon as possible after successfully downloaded. Then click yes, install. Okay, next. Okay, now you can see right install. Contact Lonely Screen. We welcome your feedback. Okay, they giving it is showing a trial version, but you can select maybe later. Click that maybe later. You can see that issue Lonely Screen is blocked by your Windows firewall. You can fix it. Click on it. Okay, after you successfully download the Lonely Screen software, then you can see that the screen exact like that. Then you can connect to the your iPhone. After you download that Lonely software, then you can go all the way up and slide down. Then you can connect to that mirror. Click that. Then you can connect to Lonely Screen. I'm going to log in my phone. Okay, pretty much you can see that all the apps you can see on your PC, all the apps you can see that working correctly. Facebook, Google. Okay, all the app you can operate normally on screen. Right, guys, that's the way how to successfully download that software and then you can operate your iPhone 2 on the screen. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.